How to migrate Microsoft 365 tenant-to-tenant without data loss. Searching for a way to bulk migrate Microsoft 365 tenant-to-tenant without data loss? Use the Aryson Tenant-to-Tenant Migration Tool, which supports Mailbox, OneDrive, and SharePoint migration while preserving metadata. Working process of Aryson Tenant-to-Tenant Migration Tool.
Download process has started.
Tool. Then select Copy Mailboxes from the center panel. Click on Add Connection to connect with the source tenant. After that, sign in, enter the admin email ID to log in. Enter the Microsoft Office 365 associated password for the authentication.
Approve sign-in request to authenticate.
Click on the Accept
Microsoft
button.
Permissions consent page, and then, listing the required organization-wide access permissions for mailbox and data migration.
Select the required mailbox and confirm it in the Selected Mailboxes panel. Click Convert to PST to proceed. Choose the destination location and set a parent folder name, and then click on Add Filters button to select date range, from date, to date. Choose the start and end dates. Split PST files. Set the size limit 2 GB. Enable duplicate removal. Activates duplicate filtering. Match criteria options: subject, from, to, CC, and body. Convert without attachments. Exports emails without attachments. Helps reduce PST file size. Click on Apply and Continue button.
Choose the destination location and set a parent folder name. It shows export details and allows you to skip previously migrated data. After clicking Apply and Continue, the page displays the real-time progress of the bulk PST conversion process. It shows the total number of emails, migrated, skipped, and failed items and elapsed time. You can stop the conversion anytime using the Stop Conversion button.
To download the tool, use the link given in the description. Thank you.